In this video, I'll teach you how to add a checkbox to a form in Wix. Start by going onto your Wix website editor, and from here select the form that you want to add a checkbox option to. From here, go ahead and click on Edit Form. This opens up a dashboard that looks something like this. And now to add a checkbox option, go ahead here on the left hand side and scroll down until you see Choices, and then just click on the checkbox option right here. Once you've done that, you can go over here and click and drag to adjust it so it fits your form a little bit better, like this. And then you can also go ahead and write over here what it should say in this checkbox. So let's say you want to write something like this: do you agree with our terms and conditions? You can also go ahead and make it a required field so people have to answer this before they can answer your form. Once you're satisfied, simply go up here on the top right corner and click on Save. And once it's saved, click away from it. And now you successfully added a checkbox to your Wix form. You can also go ahead and test it by clicking Preview up here in the top right corner. And as you can see, when I go down and tick the box, it works. So that's how you can add a checkbox to your form in Wix. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.